And finally this evening, South Africa's rand held steady on Friday, trading at 18.75 to the dollar as investors waited for clarity on the revised national budget following the recent VAT hike reversal. Now, the currency stability also comes amid global uncertainty around US tariffs. On the Johannesburg Stock Exchange, the All Share Index edged up 0.17%, with the top 40 index rising 0.19%. Meanwhile, resources stocks fell over 2.6%, while financial gained just over 1%. Financial expert Kabelo Tsula wraps up the market's moves for this week.
As we close off this week, second to last week of the month of April, the all share seems to have found a steady footing despite the previous 2 weeks' volatility. As we look at today, the market is up 0.49% across the board, led higher by the likes of your listed property as well as your financials and industrials. Contrary to previous days and weeks, gold and the resource sector have underperformed quite significantly, down 2.3%. And if you have a look at the week, the likes of Harmony Goldfields, Anglo Gold, Ashanti are down in excess of 10%, some as high as 13%. And this is really on the back of a reprieve on the gold price, which has shot up almost $500 in the last 2 weeks. So it's currently trading at 3,294 a fine ounce after having touched 3,500. Now, in other sectors as well, oil is quite steady there at 65 rand. $65, I beg your pardon, per barrel. The rand is also quite steady at this particular point, trading at 18 rand 83, so a little weaker than where we started the week and certainly where we started the day. But next week will be an interesting week as we look forward to vehicle sales for the month of March, as well as we're going to receive some private sector credit extension numbers to see how healthy the credit markets are there as well.